presenting a pre-owned 2013 GMC Yukon. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 64,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, DVD player, and sunroof.